Hello and welcome to OU Live. If you've got an online tutorial, I'll point out a couple of things you need to know to get started. If you want to speak to your tutor, there is a chat box and you can type in the chat box by clicking with your cursor and typing hello. And that message will appear to everybody that's in the meeting. To find out who's in your meeting, have a look at the left-hand side and the bottom panel will list all the names of the folk who are attending that particular meeting at that particular time. If you would like to speak to me, then you need to press this talk button in the middle of the screen on the left-hand side. Press once to turn it on and you'll see a little blue icon of a microphone. When you're finished talking, press the talk button again to turn it off. If you like, you can turn on your video, and that will use a webcam to transmit a short video of yourself. There is no need for you to use this, so please don't feel that you have to have a webcam to attend. It's not necessary at all. There's a couple of other things you should know about. Your name will appear here, and there will be some little squares underneath. The first square gives you some smiley faces or confused faces, so if you want to tell me that you're happy, then you can send me a smiley face. The next square along is the busy button. So if you need to leave the tutorial for any reason, click away and I'll know that you're busy. And when you return, you can click and I'll know that you're back. If you're confused, you can raise and lower your hand by clicking on this hand button. So I've just clicked the button, there's a red 1 here because I'm one person and I've got my hand raised, and if I want to lower it, I just click it again. If I ask you a question on the screen and there's a few different answers, A, B, C or D, then you can answer your response to the poll by clicking and choosing a letter. So A, B, C or none are the options here. And your tutor controls which buttons you see here. So if there's only 3 options, they'll select A, B, C. So if you want to select B, you just need to click on it. If you want to point to anything on the screen, there is a cursor and you can select your pointer. If you want to say, this bit here, you can use the hand arrow. If you'd like to write on the screen, there's a box with an A and some lines. Click on that, it'll give you a text box and you can type as normal. Okay, so I hope that's enough to get you started with OU Live. The 3 important things you need to know are the chat box in the right hand side for typing messages, the talk button in the middle on the left hand side for turning your microphone on and off, and the polling button underneath your name in the middle of the left hand side. And I hope that's enough to get you going.